In prime time news tonight, real estate boom, why realtors are optimistic. 7-year-old among 3 killed in crash. 59 fishermen from the Dominican Republic charged for fishing illegally in Jamaican waters.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, and Milton Walker is here with a preview.
Yes, Janella, the net international reserves dipped in February after the Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market. We'll tell you more in the financial week.
And from Milton, we go to Jordan Ford for what's happening in sports.
Yes, some sad news in the world of sport, Archie, as the first Jamaican woman to make an Olympic Games 100-meter final died at the age of 96 today. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Here's what we're asking this evening. How do you think gender equality can be improved?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News Friday returns right after this break.